You want to say hi at least?
Hi.
Hi. I'm coming to you from our open house we're doing. This is Shayna Little, the realtor. And she was just showing me around a little bit. This is an interesting house. It's definitely a contractor's dream. Huge lot, 14,000 square feet.
Right.
And then the living space is, what was it? It's about 2,000 square feet. It looks way bigger. But this house is interesting because it's got a lot of space, but it's got a lot of nooks and crannies. We're not sure what the history of this house is, but I'm sure it does have a lot of history. Anyhow, we're going to show you a little bit about it. I have a client. So this is the side yard, and this is the bar area. This is on the side of the house. You can kind of get a feel for the size that we're dealing with. I started in the backyard because this is kind of where we ended. Check out this gate. Goes to the length here. Again, I like this house because of the size. It's got room. You come in here with your contractor, you put a couple of $100,000 into the house and you make it your own. Look at how much space we got here. And then these palm trees range about from $2,000 to $5,000 each. So and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 of them on the property. While Shayna is showing her client, I will show you guys what we're working with here. Again, this is one of our open houses that we had today. Shayna is our mentee. So this is the sunroom, right? Bonus room. You see a lot of these in the city of Carson. This bonus room has lots of light, and it goes out to the backyard. So here is the extremely large living room. Get a feel for this size, right? So I'm in here and it's got just plenty of size. Again, this is a fixer like you have never seen. However, I think because of the amount of space you're getting for this place, this is the master bedroom, by the way. The amount of space that you're getting, I mean, I would buy it just for that. Be able to pump a few $90,000 to $100,000 into this space, and you got yourself a house that could be worth well over $1 million. So again, so we're in the master bath, and again, this is a fixer up, guys. This is something you don't just move into with your family. You want to get some contractors in here, but again, it's worth it because of the space alone. Again, this is a master bedroom. Actually, it's a suite. The reason why we call it a suite is because it has the master bath attached. Now, this is backyard. I mean, look at what we're working with here. We're going to go out there in a minute, but I want to show you the upstairs area of this house. The reason why I put this on Facebook this afternoon was because this house is very quirky. It's laid out very interestingly. Another area.
Do you know the story of this house?
No, please tell me. I'm so confused by it.
Okay, there's a neighbor right here. They came over and they told me all the story. She's keeping it.
That's interesting.
It's gotta be. I checked the whole apartments and everything. No record. So upstairs, I'm finished, right?
All right, this is the garage. Unfinished, 3-car. I mean, this is over $1 million house fixed up. This is a 3-car garage, plenty of space. And here you also get another restroom. Looks a little industrial, right? As if there was probably a business being ran out of this house. But this is a good garage space, good workspace. If we go upstairs, again, I'm still in the garage area, but check this out. You go upstairs and you have this landing here, right? So here are the stairs that we just came up from. Here's the landing. There's your hot water heater. And I go around this way. This is, we are on top of the garage. Right? Top of the garage. So this is an extra room. Can use this for a ton of different things. Again, this house does have a story, and it looks like the gentleman downstairs knows the story, so we'll have to get the scoop. But check out my comment section later on. I will get the story of what was going on here at this house that's located on 221st Street in Torrance. Think where the Torrance DMV is located, so it's across that area. All right, so still on top of the garage, completely unfinished. The drywall has been taken out. It looks like the plumbing is in, but was taken out there. They ran electrical, so those are the boxes. Again, this property is at 1511 221st Street in Torrance. This is still, listen, we are still on top of the 3-car garage. This is on top, so this is a completely separate living space, period, point blank. It has its own plumbing, and it has its own electrical ran. So as you can see, they had skylights in there at some time, right? Electrical panels, so this has all been ran. Again, we're still on top of the garage area, on top. This is a completely separate space, and it does have its own entrance if you enter through the garage. So check this out. Again, $800,000, 4-bedroom, 4 baths. So here's the area that we came up from, right? Again, separate living quarters. Someone was running some sort of business out of this house. That's my guess. This is the other rooms. I'm gonna take you outside now and let you see the front and the side of the house. So let's go down. Sure, careful. Again, we're still in the 3-car garage area. All right. So we're gonna head outside. We're gonna take a look at what this puppy looks like from outside, right? That's probably gonna... There. Make sure it's unlocked. All right, so now we're outside. Look at this. This is insane. So this was the house that we were just in. This whole wing is the master wing. This is where the master bedroom, master bath suite is. This is the side of the house, 3-car garage. All right. Give you some idea. This is the driveway that we're walking in. This is the driveway. This is insane. And there's your gate. So what freaking person who was here? Like, what was going on at this place, right? Look at this. So if you want to have your friends over to have a party, boy, you have the space to do it. This is the driveway, people. City of Torrance, $800,000. Now, you probably won't be able to get an FHA loan on this. FHA has strict requirements in regards to, you know, having working plumbing and foundation has to be intact. I mean, it actually has to be a home that you can live in. So we're talking conventional financing, hard money lenders, and of course, all cash. All right, so here's what we're working with here, people. This is it. This is the outside of it. Pretty cool, right? So let's let's recap, right? This place was a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home in Torrance, located on the other side of the Department of Motor Vehicles, 221st Street, $800,000. It's got some weird master bedroom suite thing going on here. Then it's got the 3-car garage slash, I don't know, compound over here, right? And then it had that crazy, insane backyard with the palm trees, the 10 palm trees, and the jacuzzi, and the wet bar. So again, cool house, very interesting compound. Definitely not a single family residence, more of a compound, right? Huge. Anytime you've got 3 of these garages here, 1, 2, 3, right? You're talking compound, 14,000 square feet on the lot size and 2,000 square feet living space on the house itself. One of our open houses. If you would like to see this during the week, next week, give me a call. Leave the office. I can meet you down here. And you know, it's not such a bad deal. Like I said, I am crazy over just the sheer the lot size of this place. It's crazy. It's so big, you can do so much with it. And if you needed to possibly rent some of it out, that's your money right there. That's gonna help pay your mortgage. So anyway, it was good seeing you. Have a happy Sunday, and we will see you soon. Bye.